Students, look at this problem. Integral e power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x. This problem may look difficult, but it's a very simple problem. Let me solve this problem. See here. We know that n into log x. What is the formula? Log x to the power n. Similarly, e power log a, which is equal a, because exponential function and log function are inverse functions. So e power log a is equal to a, n into log x, which is equal log x power n. So using these two formulas, I can rewrite this integration as e power 6 log x we can write as log x to the power 6 minus e power 5 log x we can write as log x to the power 5 divided by e power log x power 4 minus e power 3 log x we can write as e power log x to the power 3 into dx, which is equal integral. What is the formula for e power log a? That is a. So similarly, here e power log x power 6 we can write as x power 6 and then minus e power log x power 5, that is x power 5 by e power log x power 4. This is x power 4 minus e power log x power 3. This is x power 3 into dx. Now, you take the common terms outside. From the numerator and denominator, take x power 3 outside. So, x power 3 divided by x power 3. X power 6, from that you take x power 3. So, x power 6 divided by x power 3. What is the value? X power 3 minus x power 5 divided by x power 3. This is called x square divided by x power 4. You take the x power 3. So, this is x minus x power 3 by x power 3. The value is 1 into dx. Now, cancel this x power 3 and x power 3. Now, integral x power 3 minus x square divided by x minus 1. You take x square outside from the numerator. So, x square into, this is called x, and then this is minus 1 divided by x minus 1. In numerator and denominator, we have x minus 1 is common. So, cancel this x minus 1 and x minus 1. So, what we will get? Integral x square into dx. So, what is the formula for integral x square dx? The formula is x power 3 divided by 3 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So, look at this problem. It may look difficult, but after doing simplification, the problem become very simple. Integral x square dx. The formula is x power 3 by 3 plus c. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and like my video and share to your friends. Further, if you have any doubt, put your doubts in the comment section.